Welcome to Exodus versus Jaxx Liberty. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two popular multi-asset wallets, exploring their features, usability, and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. Exodus Wallet is renowned for its sleek and beginner-friendly design, supporting over 200 cryptocurrencies. Its intuitive interface makes it perfect for newcomers and those looking for a visually appealing wallet. Exodus features a built-in portfolio tracker and an integrated exchange, allowing users to swap assets directly within the app. It's available on desktop, mobile, and as a browser extension, offering versatility for managing your crypto. Exodus is non-custodial, meaning you retain full control of your private keys. However, advanced features like custom transaction fees are limited, and its fixed fees may not appeal to users seeking precise control over costs. Jaxx Liberty, on the other hand, is a feature-rich wallet that supports over 90 cryptocurrencies. While it doesn't offer as many assets as Exodus, it focuses on providing a broader range of tools, including portfolio tracking, market data, and blockchain exploration directly within the app. Jaxx Liberty also emphasizes user privacy, requiring no personal information or KYC verification. Its multi-platform availability, desktop, mobile, and browser extensions ensures seamless access across devices. Jaxx's interface, while functional, isn't as polished as Exodus, and the app occasionally suffers from performance issues, which could be a drawback for some users. To summarize, Exodus is ideal for users seeking a clean, intuitive wallet that balances functionality with aesthetics, making it great for beginners and casual users. Jaxx Liberty, with its additional tools and privacy-focused approach, is better suited for users who want a more comprehensive toolkit for managing crypto, despite its slightly clunkier interface. Choose Exodus for simplicity and style, or opt for Jaxx Liberty if you value features like integrated blockchain exploration and market tracking. Both are solid options. Check out the links in the description to explore them further.